Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use your S Pen to text. So you can basically write in search fields, address bars, and other text areas, and it'll basically convert that S Pen writing to text. So let me show you how to turn this feature on and how to use it. So first, you want to go ahead and bring out your S Pen. Go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see advanced features. Tap on this. From here, find S Pen. Tap on that. And now from here, find S Pen to text. Go ahead and tap on this and switch this on. So toggle the switch to the right hand side. This will give you some instructions on how to use the S Pen to text feature. So here we'll go ahead and open up the internet browser on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here I'm on google.com, and here with my S Pen, I'll just basically start writing with my S Pen, and this will basically convert it into text. So let's go ahead. So I'll go ahead and place my S Pen on screen and I'll see the icon. Now I can start writing on what I want to write. Now, as you can see, I've typed in the Simple Dad and I can go ahead and search. And there you go. So using your S Pen, you can basically handwrite it and it'll convert it into text on your screen. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the S Pen to text feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra with your S Pen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.